Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my cheesy lemony pastry dessert. So let's get started. You'll preheat your oven to 350 and cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is nicely golden brown. In my bowl I have 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. I'll put in 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar to 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'll blend this all together. You want to blend this until it's well combined. To this cream cheese mixture, I'm going to add in 1 can, which is 1 pound, 5 ounces, so it's 21 ounces, of the lemon cream pie filling. So I'll open this up and then fold it into the cream cheese mixture. Now that the lemon cream is folded into the cream cheese mixture, I have my oven preheated at 350. I'll get out my Crescent sheet, and I'm using an 8-ounce Crescent dough sheet. I'll take my Crescent dough sheet out of the container and then place it onto my ungreased cookie sheet. I'll take my cream cheese and lemon mixture and I'll spread it out on my Crescent sheet. Tastes pretty good. So now I'll roll up my Crescent sheet. I'll place it seam side down on my ungreased cookie sheet. I'll place it in my 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the Crescent sheet is nice and golden brown.
I pushed Grandpa. Can you believe it?
Can you do a potty?
Can I taste it? Monty?
Yep.
Can
It's lemon. Pumpkin.
Monty?
Yeah, go ahead, eat it. So I placed it seam side down, and now I'll put it in my 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So into the oven it goes. It's been 15 minutes, so now I'll see how it's doing. I'll give it about 5 more minutes. It's turning nicely golden brown on the top. It's been 20 minutes, so I took it out of the oven. A little bit seeped out, but that's okay. So I'll let this cool before I slice into it. And I call this my cheesy lemon pastry dessert. So give it a try. Now that it has cooled off, I'll take a slice. Look how good that looks inside. So I put a piece on my plate. I'll give it a try. That filling looks so good. Nice and golden brown on the top, nice and soft. Really good. Quick and easy too. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my cheesy lemony pastry. It's really good and simple. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.